Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to change your email address on Quotex. So first of all, you need to click account and you need to make sure that your account is verified, guys. As you can see right here, you need to fill this necessary information on the left side and then you need to upload the documents, guys. You can upload your passport, your driver license, or any other documents. And once your account will be verified, you can change your email. But as you can see, there is no option to change the email right here. So there is no button to change it. So you can't edit your email. You need to do the simple thing. After you will verify your account, you need to click the help button in the left bottom menu right here. And then you need to click contact customer support right here in the bottom. Then you need to choose other issue and you need to explain your issue that you want to change your email address on your account. So you need to explain the situation and they will assist you and help you in changing your email address. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.